had some luck on the weekend with lake trout, so we were able to bring home a couple keepers. So we're going to try and fillet this one. Try and get the fillets off this one. Some people just cook them whole, foil and stuff, but I'm going to pull the fillets off, and then maybe we can do some cedar plank or something like that, a little different. So, I'm going to cut right down the back here. Kind of peel off. Let's go right along the spine here. Go right to the tip. Tails. It's going to be big fillets. Get the camera angle, eh?
Yeah, and I'm casting a shadow with my arm.
Turn it around.
Yeah, there we go.
You can go over here.
Yeah, that's much better.
There we go. I'm just going to make a cut down here in front of the fin, so we don't want that. Go in there. There we go. Cut down to the spine here. So you can see him following the spine here. There's a bone here too. This will be kind of what you do with the salmon. Same kind of deal. Just keep following ribs. Eventually you're going to have to cut through these ribs though. That'll be their Y bones there. And then you can follow the ribs the rest of the way. So I'm going to cut through these bones. And there'll be a strip of little bones in the middle of your meat. You'll have to pick out when you're eating. So once you get past the rib cavity, it'll be gone. And I'm just going to keep following the rib bones. Nice orange meat. So you can see the ribs here. So I'm just following the ribs. Hitting skin here, so I gotta do a little deeper. Belly, don't really want the belly. So yeah, here we go. And then let's get to the back here, around this fin. And then on the spine, just like you would a walleye or a perch. With the tail. I'm just going to cut it in half. So,
Want to do that for supper tonight?
2 fillets here. Like I said, there'll be a strip of bones in here. Careful when you're eating. And then yeah, just follow it. Flip her back over. Cut in front of this fin. Down at the back. Follow the spine again. Much easier. Start back here. Want to be on the top side of this fin, obviously. A little tough. There we go. Incision there. Just follow the back. All the way up to the front, and then done. Same thing. Get in there with your knife. Pull some fine. Ribs. Cut through those Y bones. They're not very thick, so. Go. And just keep following. See, the ribs are all. You can basically hear your knife turning along. You can hear over the dog. Decided to grab a big bone and run around while we're doing the filming. I gotta come back over here. Ribs go quite a ways back on these. There we go. I don't know. There. Cool. Let's cut this out. Because you don't want that. Yeah. Just big fillet. It'll just be your bones right in here. Just have to pick them out when you cook it. Leave the skin on. Season it up, put it on a plank, and good to go.
Bob's your uncle.
He's not my uncle. It's all good. That's what it'll look like. Big long carcass. That's how you clean a lake trout, filleting it. Tight lines, everyone, and keep it safe on the ice. Get out there as you can. We're winding down our season here. We only got a little over a month to go, month and a half. So.
Stay tuned for the Baker's Narrows ice trip. See some lake trout we pull out of that lake.
Yeah, probably won't be bringing any back, but we're going to try for some real big ones. So that's next day's off.
See you then.
Take care.